Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna. Today we are doing my BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of January. It is my birthday month. My birthday's on the 13th. I'm getting older now. It just is what it is. So let's get to unboxing this box. So let's go ahead and see what is in here. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the card and just try not to look at anything. And this month is a fresh start. Y'all, don't we all think we need a fresh start with 2021? Yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go down this order and just read off what I got because I'm actually driving up to Virginia as soon as I'm done with this because I gotta go to work today. So Violet Voss Olive for You eyeshadow palette. Oh yes, green eyeshadow palette. I love green eyeshadows. They look really good with my green eyes, so I feel like they complement each other very well. Okay, it says, let's find it first. Oh, it's right on top. Oh, perfect. This is the little packaging. This palette was designed with universally flattering olives and hues that complement one another flawlessly. It's packed with the most luxe formulas with creamy mattes, mesmerizing metallics, and impactful foils. Achieve an endless eyeshadow look from this modern, soft, sultry, and seductive olive smoky eye that will have them green with envy. This retails for $34. It says this is a new launch. I do have some Violet Voss, sorry, I was turning an alarm off. I do have some Violet Voss eyeshadow palettes already, and they're really, really nice. So I do already have like high hopes for this, and this is the packaging again on the outside. There's nothing really on the back. Okay, I was expecting more greens. There's literally like three. 1, 2-ish, and 3-ish. And I say this very ishy because it looks kind of gray. It looks more gray. But it doesn't look like a bad palette. Definitely something like they all complement each other very, very well. So it definitely seems like you can get a really good smoky look out of this and some just really nice shimmers as well. So next in the box is this Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. This is the packaging, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it out. Oh, look how cute. This is the little packaging. I think this is so cute with the little green jar. This is an oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving the skin feeling greasy. This vegan, cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. This retails for $38. And the next thing in the box is this Avant Skincare Bi-Phase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. I love micellar water. This is $90. $90. This right here is $90. $90. Oh my Lanta. Okay, so let's read about it. It says infused with replenishing ingredients, Bi-Phase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water presents an oil phase aiming to instantly dissolve resilient and waterproof makeup, and a micellar water phase working to capture impurities and dissolves makeup without rubbing or rinsing. That's why I like the micellar water, because it really just, I feel like it does the work for you, so I don't have to like scrub my face as hard or really on my eyes a lot. So the next thing in here is the Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. This is boosting hydration with a glow with this protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot, plus jojoba, and rosehip oils that work synergistically to keep lip chapped free, soothe, plumped all at once. It's made with green apple and pineapple extracts to help rid lips of unsightly dead skin cells and fine lines. This retails for $25. I love anything that smells apple. Oh, it's in like a tube, but with like a twist top and not like a weird. It's not a normal typical mask, lip mask, like, you know, the what we're used to. Because I'm feeling like a chapstick or something else like that. So the last thing that's in here is the, I think this is pronounced Queen Studio Dragon Duo. This is a modern day Boss Babe approved with an inky black pigmentation and semi-waterproof formula. Choose your look with this Dragon Duo. Use Dragon Liner Liquid for smudge-proof symmetrical wings, or Dragon Liner Pencil for a softer look or a smoky eye. Created for beginners, loved by pros. This is $28. So this is the packaging right here. Alrighty, so the pencil liner looks like this. It's got the little queen down there, and I believe these are black. This is the Dragon Liner Liquid Liner, and the tip is pretty, it gets a little skinny at the bottom, but it's still kind of thick, and it's definitely a felt tip, not brushes or anything like that. Alrighty guys, so this completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and had a good time. I'm so excited for January's box. It's just been a blast opening these up, and I'm really excited to be trying a lot of this out, especially with this micellar water. $90, that's expensive. So anyways, hope you guys have a good rest of your day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.